ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం. గణానాం త్వా గణపతిగుం హవామహే కవిం కవీనాముపమస్రవస్తమం. జ్యేష్ఠరాజం బ్రహ్మణాం బ్రహ్మణస్పత ఆనః శృణ్వన్ ఊతిభిः सीदसादनम्. प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती. धीनामवित्रयवतु. गणेशाय नमः. सरस्वत्यै नमः. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम्. शुक्लाम्बरधरम् विष्णुम् शशिवर्णम् चतुर्भुजम् प्रसन्नवदनम् ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. यस्य द्विरदवक्त्राभ्याः पारिषद्भ्याः परःसतम् विघ्नम् निघ्नन्ति सततम् विश्वक्सेनम् तमाश्रये. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः. गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. यम् ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्र रुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैः स्तवैः वेदैः साङ्ख्यपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यम् सामगाः. ध्यानावस्थित तद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यम् योगिनः. यस्यान्तम् न विदुः सुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः. With Bhagavan's grace, we completed chapter 17 yesterday. Let us do a review both in English substance and the Sanskrit slokam. Embracing divinity through the play of the three types of Shraddha. Chapter 17, Shraddha Traya Vibhaga Yogaha. Arjuna said, "My dear Krishna, what is the state of those who, while not embracing scriptural commands and guidelines, do perform worship with Shraddha? Is it Sattva? Is it Rajas or is it Tamas?" Sri Bhagavan said, Shraddha is born from the natural impulses in the embodied beings. It is of three types, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Hear about them from me now. My dear Bharata, everyone's Shraddha is according to his natural tendencies, natural inclinations. The indweller is the Shraddha itself. Whatever type of Shraddha he dons, that is what he becomes. People with dominant sattva tendencies worship the devas. Those with dominant rajasic tendencies worship yakshas. And those yakshas and rakshasas. Those with dominant tamas tendencies worship corpses and ghosts. Fools and dull-witted people, proud and arrogant, fattened with desires and possessive attachments, torture their senses and me, the resident in their bodies, with scripturally prohibited and cruel penances. Know these people to be firmly established in the demonic ways. People's favorite foods are also of three types. So are sacrifice, penance, and charity. Hear now about their differentiating aspects. Food that promotes lifespan, intelligence, strength, health, happiness, compassion, that provides essential and life-building nutrition and that gives peace, is liked by the Sattvic people. Food that is bitter, sour, salty, heat-generating, spicy hot with burning sensation, and that promotes sadness, misery, and illness, is liked by the Rajasic people. Food that is cooked but cold, tasteless, spoiled by fermentation, stale, leftover, and not suitable to be offered in worship, is liked by the Tamasic people. Sacrifice that is done without desiring results, that is done with a willing sense of duty, calm mind, and per scriptural prescriptions, is Sattvic sacrifice. For the best among the Bharatas, sacrifice done with an eye on results, with pride and pomp, is Rajasic sacrifice. Know it as such. Sacrifice that is not in line with scriptural prescriptions, that does not offer charity of food, that is deficient in the recitation of mantras, that does not offer gifts of gratitude to the priests and that is done without faith, enthusiasm, and commitment is called tamasic sacrifice. Worship of the devas, the spiritual practitioners, Brahmins, teachers, and the wise, cleanliness, honesty, and straightforwardness, celibacy, non-violence, these are the purifying practices, tapas, for the body. Speech that is harmless, that causes no disturbance whatsoever, that conveys truth, that shares love and seeks welfare for others, and the recitation of the Vedas, these are the purifying practices or tapas for speaking. Mental attitude of accepting everything as the gift of God, loving and caring mental disposition, silence of thoughts, self-control, selfless outlook in life, all these are said to be the purifying practices or tapas for the mind. These three types of purification are practiced with committed effort and supreme faith by people not desiring the results of their actions, and are said by elders to be sattvic penance, sattvic tapas. Penance done with pomp and pride and with an eye on earning respect, praise, and worship is not stable, doesn't last long, and is called rajasic. Penance done with foolish obstinacy, with the objective of harming and destroying others, is termed as tamasic. Charity done at the right place at the right time to the needy as a duty without expecting anything in return is termed as sattvic. That charity which is done half-hearted and with mental reluctance, expecting results or favors in return, is termed as rajasic. Charity done at improper place, at improper time, to the non-needy, without prayer, disrespecting and deriding the recipient, is called tamasic. Om Tat Sat, the Brahman, is thus described by three identifying marks. In the beginning, the Brahmins, the Vedas, and the Yajnas were created by this. Therefore, all prescribed practices of sacrifice, charity, and penance begin with the pronunciation of Om. Those desiring freedom from the birth-death cycle attach themselves to Tat, the Supreme Being, and undertake many varieties of sacrifice and penance without desiring results. My dear Partha, the word Sat is used to convey the isness in everything and to affirm that everything is well indeed. That's why the word Sat is used while doing all good deeds. That which is established in sacrifice, in penance, and in charity is called Sat. The respective actions of carrying out these is also called Sat. Whatever is sacrificed without Shraddha, whatever is given in charity without Shraddha, and whatever penance is done without Shraddha, whatever action is done without Shraddha, is called Asat. It's harmful. My dear Partha, that gives no benefit whatsoever here or hereafter. Om Tat Sat. Thus ends the 17th chapter called Shraddha Traya Vibhaga Yoga, embracing divinity through the play of the three types of Shraddha, as explained in the benevolent dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna in the Upanishad called the Bhagavad Gita, which is truly a Brahma Vidya and a Yoga Sastra. Sapta Dasodhyayaha Shraddha Traya Vibhaga Yogaha Arjuna Uvacha Ye Shastra Vidhim Utsrujya Yajante Shraddhayan Vitaha Tesham Nishtatu Ka Krishna Sattvam Aho Rajas Tamaha. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Trividha Bhavati Shraddha Dehinam Sa Svabhavaja Satviki Rajasi Chaiva Tamasi Cheti Kam Shrunu. सत्त्वानुरूपा सर्वस्य श्रद्धा भवति भारत श्रद्धामयोऽयं पुरुषः यः यच्छ्रद्धः स एव सः यजन्ते सात्विका देवान् यक्षरक्षांसि राजसाः प्रेतान् भूतगणांश्चान्ये यजन्ते तामसा जनाः अशास्त्रविहितं घोरं तप्यन्ते ये तपोजनाः दम्भ अहंकार संयुक्ताः कामराग बलान्विताः कर्षयन्तः शरीरस्थं भूतग्रामम् अचेतसः मां च एव अन्तः शरीरस्थं तान् विद्धि आसुरनिश्चयान् आहारस्त्वपि सर्वस्य त्रिविधो भवति प्रियः यज्ञः तपः तथा दानं तेषां भेदम् इमं शृणु आयुः सत्त्व बल आरोग्य सुख प्रीति विवर्धनाः रस्याः स्निग्धाः स्थिराः हृद्या आहाराः सात्विक प्रियाः कटु अम्ल लवण अतिउष्ण तीक्ष्ण रूक्ष विदाहिनः आहाराः राजस्येष्ठा दुःख शोकामय दुःखः शोक आमय प्रदाः यातयामं गतरसं पूति पर्युषितं च यत् उच्छिष्टमपि चामेध्यं भोजनं तामसप्रियम् अपलाकाङ्क्षिभिः यज्ञो विधिदृष्टो य ईज्यते यष्टव्यम् एवेति मनः समाधाय स सात्विकः अभिसन्धाय तु फलं दम्भार्थमपि चैव यत् ईज्यते भारतश्रेष्ठा तं यज्ञं विद्धि राजसम् विधिहीनम् असृष्टान्नं मन्त्रहीनम् अदक्षिणम् श्रद्धाविरहितं यज्ञं तामसं परिचक्षते देव द्विज गुरु प्राज्ञ पूजनं शौचम् आर्जवम् ब्रह्मचर्यम् अहिंसा च शारीरं तप उच्यते अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते मनप्रसादः सौम्यत्वं मौनम् आत्मविनिग्रहः भावसंशुद्धिः इति एतत् तपः मानसम् उच्यते श्रद्धया परया तप्तं तपः तत् त्रिविधं नरैः अपलाकाङ्क्षिभिः युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते सत्कारमान पूजार्थं तपः दम्भेन च एव यत् क्रियते तत् इह प्रोक्तं राजसं चलम् अध्रुवम् मूढग्राहेणात्मनः यत् पीडया क्रियते तपः परस्य उत्सादनार्थं वा तत् तामसम् उदाहृतम् दातव्यम् इति यत् दानं दीयते अनुपकारिणे देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम् यत्तु प्रति उपकारार्थं फलम् उद्दिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिक्लिष्टं तद्दानं राजसं स्मृतम् आदेशकाले यद्दानम् अपात्रेभ्यश्च दीयते असत्कृतम् अवज्ञातं तत्तामसम् उदाहृतम् ओम तत्सत् इति निर्देशः ब्रह्मणः त्रिविधः स्मृतः ब्राह्मणाः तेन वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च विहिताः पुरा तस्मात् ओम इति उदाहृत्य यज्ञदान तपक्रियाः प्रवर्तन्ते विधानोक्ताः सततं ब्रह्मवादिनाम् तत् इति अनभिसन्धाय फलं यज्ञ तपः क्रियाः दान क्रियाश्च विविधाः क्रियन्ते मोक्ष कांक्षिभिः सद्भावे साधुभावे च सत् इति एतत् प्रयुज्यते प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सत् शब्दः पार्थयुज्यते यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सत् इति च उच्यते कर्म चैव तदर्थीयं सत् इति एवम् अभिधीयते அஸ்ரத்தயா ஹுதம் தப்தம் தபஸ்தப்தம் கிருதம் ச யத் அசத் இதி உச்யதே பார்த்தா ந ச தத் பிரேத்ய ந இஹ இதி ஓம் தத் சத் இதி ஸ்ரீமத் பகவத் கீதாசு உபனிஷத்சு ब्रह्म विद्यायां योग शास्त्रे श्री कृष्णार्जुन संवादे श्रद्धात्रय विभाग योगो नाम सप्तदशोऽध्यायः। ओम तत्सत्। हरिः ओम। समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम।